How do you fix Shapes 2 Factory is crashing on Steam? First, you want to right-click the game in your library and open up the properties. Now, in the General tab, Launch Options box, you want to add -dx11. Then go to Installed Files and verify the game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you'll need to open up your browser and go to this link, which is going to be in the description. And then from the distributables table, you'll need to get the 86 installer and the 64 and install both of these. Once you're done, it will require a computer restart. Now, after the restart, you will also need to check if your GPU has the latest driver updates. For NVIDIA, you will need the NVIDIA app. And if you're running AMD, you can use the AMD software. And from here, you can check for the latest updates and make sure to install them. And the last thing you'll need to do is run Steam as admin, right click and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.